In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xC0000142 error in Windows 10 and 11. First thing we're going to do is open CMD, right click, run as administrator, and we're going to run this command. So you're going to run dism /online/ cleanup -image /restore health. And once it finishes loading, you can just close this down now. Next, you want to go here and type in registry editor and go all the way up. At first, you want to go to H key, local machine. Then you want to go to software. And down here, now you want to go to Microsoft. So search for Microsoft here. And here you want to search for Windows NT. So it should be all the way down here. Windows NT. So look for it here. This is the one. So inside Windows NT, you want to go to current version. So here you want to open current version and go to Windows. So it should be here. And go to Windows. So now what you're gonna do is go find load app net_dll, open it and make sure this is 0. If it's 1, change it to 0 and click OK. After that, restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, I recommend going here and typing Windows update and check if there's any updates. Sometimes these updates can fix little bugs and issues in your computer, so make sure you are on the latest update. So now what you're gonna try is to run your application. So let's say, for example, you're trying to run this one. You would go to properties, go to compatibility. So running the troubleshooter might actually help. So I recommend trying this option, and if you're still failing, then you can go ahead and open CMD again and run it as administrator. And now we're going to type sfc /scan now. Now this might take a few minutes because this is going to scan your computer for any errors and any missing files and data. So make it run, and once it's done, you want to make sure you restart your computer and hopefully your issue is fixed.